everyone, my name is Carson Anyway here on YouTube. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new, hello, welcome. If you hear any crunching, that is my son, my dog, Lincoln. He is eating his dinner. He crunches very loudly. If you guys like this video, if you like this look, keep watching. I did the eye look using the Banana Fetish palette from Jeffree Star. And I never really used yellows, so I thought it was a good idea to do a cool, fun yellow look today. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Well, right now I'm giving Lincoln kisses before I start getting into the colors, but what I say when I'm doing that is because of the fact that the only time I really do these kinds of looks is when I'm creating content or making videos. And normally, even before I start making content, I would just do it randomly and go out with it, and I still do that just in general and take pictures, obviously, but now that I create content, now I'm happy to do it and excited to do it, and I save the time of when I am going to make a video to do all these creative looks and have fun with it and just sit down and play. And that's kind of what I mean about when I don't really do certain looks that often, or I don't use these colors that often. That's kind of what I mean. And so, like right now, I'm using the Banana Fetish palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I really love using this palette whenever I do get to, because it is just full of beautiful yellow shades, yellow tinted shades, even with browns. They have the yellow hues in them, and they're really, really pretty whenever I've been using them, or the ones that I get to use for the looks, because I just sit down and I just look at the palette, and I don't really have like a vision of what I want it to look like majority of the time when I'm starting, but I'll just make it while I'm doing it. I'll just come up with it. I'll be like, ooh, those colors are pretty, we're gonna make that into a look, and that's kind of how it goes. So that's kind of what happened today. When I was doing this video, I was just looking at the palette and I was like, you know what, I kind of want to use these shades and let's see what we got. And then once I decided to use them in like an ombre kind of look, I decided, you know what, I've been using black eyeliner a lot lately. I do have a couple of colorful eyeliners. Why not let's use one of the yellows? And so that's kind of what I did. I used the yellow NYX eyeliner. I'll have it linked down below, like I say in every video. I always have everything that I use linked down below in the video description. In any video, regardless whether it's a waxing, whether it's a facial, whether it's whatever, makeup like this, I will have everything linked down below, but especially what the actual name is. And so that's what I'm using right now. I realized when I was doing it, it was kind of too sticky. So right now at the moment I'm taking the same shade in shadow from the same palette that I think that would still mattify it, and so that's kind of what I'm doing to make it unsticky, because when I was doing it, I probably do need to get a new one. I've had it for a while. And then I accidentally got it in my eyelashes as well, so you might notice that. That's completely fine, it's okay, I wasn't doing anything. But when you were using this, make sure, if you're going out or whatever, either clean it up, be very careful, or put mascara over it, more likely. That's what I would do. If I was going out, then I probably would have put more mascara over it or put eyeshadow over it to cover up the yellow. But since I wasn't, I was just like, you know what, it's okay, it's whatever. You can't really tell from the way it looked on me, at least. But yeah, so that kind of happened. So if you're going to use the same NYX liner in the yellow shade, or any shade different from just black, make sure to be careful with the color and make sure to applicate it properly. And definitely if it's still too sticky and you're afraid, like how I was when I personally have double lids, or I have creases. Okay, so my lid covers majority of my makeup, so I have to take it up higher on my brow bone area. And if you're like that, you completely understand. But that's kind of what I have to do. And so when I close my eyes, you can't really see it. And especially where that was, if I close my eyes, it would get on the other part of my lid that I don't want it to be. So that's why I was like, you know what? I'm going to definitely put eyeshadow over it to mattify it, to fix it so I don't have that issue when I close my lids. And that's the best way to do. Especially even if it's like a black eyeliner or whatever that doesn't dry down very quickly, that's the best way to do, is take the same shade in eyeshadow and just blot it on there with a tiny little brush. That's the best way to do it. And right now I'm kind of like brushing through my lashes because of the yellow eyeliner kind of clumped it a little bit, so I was trying to fix it the best I could. And then I'm just going in with a neutral shaded lipstick. And yeah, so if you guys want me to do any other looks, let me know. If you want me to include my bases again, let me know in the comments down below. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked the video. Go check out any of my other videos as well. Get inspired to do a cool little colorful look as well. And yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell notification, go follow me on Instagram and TikTok as long as TikTok is alive and going. At Aesthetics by Carson, I'll put it up on the screen. Go check out any of my other socials, my other channels as well. Let me know down below in the comments if you have a specific look you want me to do or specific topic you want me to cover in a video. I am a full specialist esthetician, so I will be doing nails, facials, waxings, makeup like usual, and other things along the way in my videos coming soon. If you guys get inspired, tag me in the posts. Go check out any of my other videos. I'll have everything linked down below. I always say this, that I've used in this video. Everything is down below in the description. No matter what video you click on, everything I use in order, especially for makeup, is linked down below. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, night, morning, whenever this reaches you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!